Hey guys, Mark here from Harris Outdoors, and me and my son Corbin are out on a little bit of an overnighter here in the rain setting in. So what I thought I'd do today is show you guys a little bit of something I got from Dave Canterbury in Corporals Corner, and it's called a Hasty Ridgeline. So y'all stick with me and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this Hasty Ridgeline basically consists of a 30-foot hank of paracord. You've got on one end a bowline knot tied, and you want to tie this big enough that you can get this hank of paracord through it. And then in between the bowline knot and the hank paracord, you want 3 prusik loops. On the first one, you want to do a fisherman's knot with a toggle. On the middle one, you just want to do a fisherman's knot loop a little bit bigger than the first one. And then the third one, you want to do the same thing as you did with the first one, just the prusik, the fisherman's loop with a toggle. And I've taken, and if you can see it, I've notched the toggle right in the middle like a V-notch all the way around, so that the fisherman's knot slides into it and holds it without it sliding back and forth. So that's the setup. Let me show you how it works. Alright guys, so how this thing works, you take the end with your prusik knot on it, pull that around the tree, around waist high. Then you want to come up and pull your hank of paracord through the bowline with your toggles. Pull those through too. Get that around the tree around waist high, maybe a little above, and then go to your next tree. So now what you want to do is come around your next tree with your ridgeline around the same height as your last one. You want to come up here and do a twist and do a marline spike hitch. Make yourself a little hitch. You want to come through with the end of your paracord once, and then come back through again. Once you have it through, put your rope where you want it on your tree, then cinch down. Get it as tight as you want it. You want to come up here and do a little stop knot. Now you can take the rest of your rope you got hanging on the ground and hank it up. Just like that. Put that through your little loop you got there in your safety knot and pull it tight, and that'll keep it from going anywhere, and it keeps all your extra cordage up off the floor. So there you go. Alright guys, now that we got our ridgeline set up, I'm going to show you what these toggles and prusiks are about. Like I said, I've got one on each side, and just a loop with a fisherman's knot in the middle. Take one end of your tarp, and slide your toggle through it. Do the same thing on the other side. Once you have them through, pull your prusiks till they're tight. And the good thing about prusik knots are they self-tension and they won't let go. You can move them if you want to, but once they get tension on them, they stay put. So that's what's cool about that. Alright guys, so the last little piece of this Hasty Ridgeline is this center prusik knot. And it's just a loop with a fisherman knot in the end of it. And it's just like a little accessory loop. And what I like to do, and I've seen a lot of other people do, is hang one of the UCO candle lanterns from it, and it gives you a little bit of extra light at night, a little ambient light. And that's always nice to have. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching the video today. I got my son Corbin out here. He's doing all my filming for me, and he's doing a really good job. So I'm Mark from Harris Outdoors, and until next time, keep bushcrafting.